What is that?
That is a book.
What happened?
The car broke down.
What did he say?
He said he was tired.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What did you buy?
I bought a new phone.
What do you want?
I want some water.
What is going on?
They are having a meeting.
Where are we?
We are at the park.
Where are you?
I am at home.
When can we meet?
We can meet tomorrow.
Why are you crying?
I lost my wallet.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Whose is this?
This is my sister's bag.
Where is my book?
Your book is on the table.
Where did you go?
I went to the store.
What do you like?
I like chocolate.
What did you eat?
I ate a sandwich.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What did you find?
I found a key.
Where did you leave it?
I left it on the chair.
Who called you?
My friend called me.
What do you hear?
I hear music.
When did it start?
It started yesterday.
What are you reading?
I am reading a novel.
Who helped you?
My brother helped me.
What did you forget?
I forgot my glasses.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you need?
I need a pen.
What did they do?
They painted the house.
Where did you study?
I studied at home.
What will you do?
I will call you later.
Where is she?
She is in the kitchen.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive at 5 p.m.
Why did you leave?
I had to go to work.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you have?
I have a dog.
What did you say?
Said, thank you.
Where did you buy it?
I bought it at the store.
What did he want?
He wanted a book.
How did you feel?
I felt happy.
What did you hear?
I heard a loud noise.
Where will you go?
I will go to the park.
Who did you see?
I saw my neighbor.
What is your job?
I am a doctor.
When did it end?
It ended last night.
What did you write?
I wrote a letter.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
How did they know?
They read the news.
What did you bring?
I brought my bag.
Who do you like?
I like my teacher.
What are you watching?
I am watching TV.
When will it rain?
It will rain tomorrow.
What did you break?
I broke a glass.
Where did she go?
She went to the store.
What do you have to do?
I have to finish my homework.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
What did they ask?
They asked for directions.
When will you leave?
I will leave at 8 a.m.
What do you think?
I think it's a good idea.
Where is your phone?
My phone is on the table.
What did she tell you?
She told me to wait.
How did you get there?
I took a bus.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
When did you sleep?
I slept at 10 p.m.
Where is the book?
The book is on the shelf.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
Who is calling?
My friend is calling.
What do you like to do?
I like to read.
When did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
What did you buy?
I bought a gift.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is near the school.
What do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to music.
Who is at the door?
The mailman is at the door.
What did you lose?
I lost my wallet.
Where did you put it?
I put it on the table.
What do you need to buy?
I need to buy milk.
Who is your neighbor?
My neighbor is Mr. Lee.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my keys.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
Where did you park?
I parked in the garage.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
What time did you arrive?
I arrived at 9 a.m.
Where did you see it?
I saw it at the museum.
What did you make?
I made a cake.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
What are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
When did you start?
I started an hour ago.
Where is your office?
My office is downtown.
What did she say?
She said, "Goodbye."
Who is in the car?
My sister is in the car.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are painting and reading.
Where did you hear that?
I heard that on the radio.
What time is your meeting?
My meeting is at 2 p.m.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is J.K. Rowling.
What did you find?
I found a wallet.
Where is your school?
My school is in the city.
What do you want to watch?
I want to watch a comedy.
Who is in charge?
The manager is in charge.
What did you cook?
I cooked pasta.
When did you finish?
I finished last night.
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the couch.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Who is your favorite athlete?
My favorite athlete is Serena Williams.
What did you draw?
I drew a picture of a tree.
Where did you stay?
I stayed at a hotel.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go for a walk.
Who will help you?
My friend will help me.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to the beach.
What did you drink?
I drank some water.
Who do you trust?
I trust my family.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Where is the nearest store?
The nearest store is 2 blocks away.
What did you watch last night?
I watched a movie.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my father.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Where did you meet?
We met at a party.
What time does the train arrive?
The train arrives at 6 p.m.
Who is your favorite artist?
My favorite artist is Van Gogh.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pasta.
Where did you buy those shoes?
I bought them online.
What did you study in school?
I studied mathematics.
Who do you admire?
I admire my mother.
What time is dinner?
Dinner is at 7 p.m.
Where is your friend from?
My friend is from Canada.
What did you see at the zoo?
I saw a lion.
Who is your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is Spider-Man.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym after work.
Where do you like to go on weekends?
I like to go to the beach.
What did you do last summer?
I went camping last summer.
Who are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my friend.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn Spanish.
Where did you put the keys?
I put the keys on the counter.
What do you do for fun?
I like to play video games for fun.
Who is your favorite comedian?
My favorite comedian is Kevin Hart.
What time is your appointment?
My appointment is at 3 p.m.
Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is down the hall.
What did you do today?
I went shopping today.
Who did you invite to the party?
I invited my friends to the party.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Where did you leave your bag?
I left my bag in the car.
What do you like to listen to?
I like to listen to pop music.
Who is your favorite musician?
My favorite musician is Beyoncé.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our plans for the weekend.